Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into how to install a CrDroid ROM OTA update on your OnePlus 6 or 6T. Now, while I'll be showing you the steps on these specific devices, the process I'm about to walk you through applies to practically any phone that has CrDroid installed. So, whether you're rocking a OnePlus device or something else entirely, this guide should have you covered. There are generally two ways to update your CrDroid ROM, through ADB side loading and via the local OTA option. We're going to focus on the local OTA method in this video as it's often the simplest for most users. So, the first thing you'll need to do is download the OTA zip file for the latest CrDroid build for your device. Make sure you grab the correct file. Once downloaded, keep this zip file in the internal storage of your phone. It's best to keep it in the root directory to make it easy to find. Next up, we need to head into your phone's settings, so go ahead and open up the Settings app. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the System or About Phone section. Look for something related to updates or system updates, tap on that. Now, here's the key part. Look for a three-dot menu icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three-dot menu. This will open up your phone's file manager. Navigate to the location where you saved the CrDroid OTA zip file. Remember, we kept it in the internal storage. Once you find the file, tap on it. Your phone will then ask you to confirm that you want to install the selected update package. Confirm the installation. As you can see here on my screen, I currently have the Android 15 test version installed. This is test build 1. Now, by following these exact steps, I'm going to install test build 2. The process will likely take a few minutes, and your phone will probably restart during the installation. Don't worry, that's completely normal. And that's all there is to it. Once the installation is complete, your phone will reboot into the latest version of CrDroid. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your CrDroid ROM up to date using the local OTA method. Remember, this process should be similar across most devices running CrDroid. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Android customization tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.